Start by standing on a stable, elevated surface like a plyo box, step, bench, or even a few bumper plates stacked on top of one another. With your arms straight, hold a weight in front of you that feels light and easy to control. A light dumbbell or kettlebell would be a great choice here. Begin the movement by slowly rounding your entire spine, starting with your neck. Tuck your chin down, and then imagine rounding one vertebra at a time as you slowly round throughout your entire back. Letting your arms hang in front of you, lower the weight down towards the floor, and do not let it drift. Try to keep your knees as straight as possible. A little bit of bend is okay, but we really want them to stay nice and straight. If your hamstrings feel too tight, stop there. Your range of motion should increase over time with more practice. To stand back up, slowly straighten your back by beginning at your pelvis, moving up one vertebra at a time into your lower back, your mid back, your upper back, and then finally until you lift your head back up to look in front of you. If you find that using a weight is too much for you right now, feel free to do them body weight standing on the plates or the box. If that's still too much, try doing them on the floor with a light amount of weight. Same things apply, moving vertebra by vertebra, and then you can always lose the weight entirely and do these body weight first in order to help your body adjust to this movement and build up some adaptability and resiliency. Again, don't push these movements, go nice and slow, do what feels good, and if you feel any extra tension, that is going to be your end range of motion for the Jefferson curl.